The workplace is on the cusp of a profound transformation driven by the rapid advancement and adoption of artificial intelligence. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality unfolding before our eyes. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to research labs. It's permeating every facet of our lives, and the workplace is no exception. From automating routine tasks to augmenting human capabilities, AI is reshaping industries and redefining the very nature of work. This technological revolution presents both unprecedented opportunities and significant challenges. Leaders across all sectors must adapt and evolve to navigate this new landscape effectively. The key to success in this AI-powered era lies in embracing an augmentation mindset. This means viewing AI not as a threat to jobs, but as a powerful tool that can enhance human potential. By harnessing the power of AI, leaders can unlock new levels of productivity, innovation, and employee satisfaction. The future of work is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together in synergy to achieve what was once unimaginable. The integration of AI into the workplace is leading to a fundamental shift in the job market. While some fear widespread job displacement, the reality is more nuanced. AI is automating certain tasks, particularly those that are repetitive and rule-based. This automation will inevitably lead to a decline in some traditional job roles. However, this is not the end of work as we know it. Instead, it's an evolution. As AI takes over mundane tasks, it frees up human workers to focus on higher-level, creative, and strategic endeavors. This shift will create new job roles that we can't even fully envision yet. This transformation necessitates a corresponding shift in the skills required for success. Technical skills related to AI development and implementation will be in high demand. However, equally important are uniquely human skills such as critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. The workforce of the future will need to be agile, lifelong learners, capable of adapting to the ever-evolving demands of the AI-augmented workplace. While the transformative potential of AI is undeniable, it's crucial to acknowledge that its impact will not be uniform across all industries and demographics. Some sectors, such as manufacturing and transportation, are already experiencing significant disruption due to automation. Others, like healthcare and education, are poised for transformative change as AI applications in these fields mature. This uneven impact raises concerns about widening socio-economic inequality. It's imperative that leaders, policymakers, and educators work collaboratively to ensure a just and equitable transition into the AI-powered future. This includes investing in reskilling and upskilling programs to equip workers with the skills needed for the jobs of tomorrow. Furthermore, we must address the potential biases embedded within AI systems themselves. AI algorithms are trained on vast data sets, and if these data sets reflect existing societal biases, the resulting AI systems will perpetuate and even amplify those inequalities. Ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI development and deployment is paramount to creating an inclusive and equitable AI-powered future for all. Leading effectively in the age of AI demands a new leadership paradigm, one that embraces augmentation, fosters digital fluency, and champions ethical innovation. Leaders must develop 5 core competencies: strategic visioning, digital integration, talent development, responsible innovation, and change management. These competencies ensure AI is leveraged effectively, ethically, and inclusively, driving long-term success. The transformative potential of AI augmentation is already evident across various industries. Let's explore some real-world examples. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing the field by enabling earlier and more accurate diagnoses, personalizing treatment plans, and accelerating drug discovery. For example, AI-powered imaging analysis tools can detect subtle anomalies in medical scans that may be missed by the human eye, leading to earlier detection and treatment of diseases. In manufacturing, AI is driving efficiency and productivity gains through predictive maintenance, quality control optimization, and the deployment of collaborative robots or cobots that work alongside human operators. Cobots can handle repetitive or physically demanding tasks, allowing human workers to focus on more complex and value-added activities. In transportation, the industry is being transformed by AI through the development of autonomous vehicles, optimized logistics and route planning, and enhanced safety features. Self-driving trucks have the potential to revolutionize long-haul trucking, improving efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing safety. To navigate the AI revolution, leaders can follow this roadmap. Educate and engage your team about AI's impact. Identify opportunities where AI can add value. Develop a clear AI strategy aligned with business goals. Foster a culture of innovation and experimentation. Invest in talent and prioritize training. Champion responsible AI with ethical considerations. The future of work is not about humans being replaced by machines, it's about humans and machines collaborating in a harmonious symphony, each amplifying the strengths of the other. AI has the potential to free us from mundane and repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on what makes us uniquely human. Our creativity, ingenuity, empathy, and ability to connect with one another on a deeper level. By embracing an augmentation mindset, fostering digital fluency, and championing responsible innovation, leaders can create a future of work where AI empowers us to achieve greater heights, solve complex challenges, and unlock our full human potential. The future is not something to be feared, but something to be shaped. Let us embrace the transformative power of AI and create a future of work that is both innovative and humane, a future where humans and machines thrive together.